if you're meeting people, it's all about meeting people, and sometimes working within the company that you want to promote you or produce you or whatever is the way to get to know it. But if you make the relationships, that's everything.
And the internship program, I highly recommend you do, because I was very, very lucky. So that experience was just invaluable. And I think, had I not have been in the program, I would never have got into those rooms.